Okay, so today we're going to do some abstract whimsical flowers that are painted in vibrant colors, similar to a few different contemporary artists, but we're going to reference Jennifer Lommers. And you're going to have some idea sheets. I want you to create thumbnails first, and then do a color scheme sheet, and then finally draw your actual artwork in pencil. And then what you're going to use is a piece of acetate or transparency film, place it on the top, and then we're going to use Sharpie to trace your flowers. You can use thick Sharpie or thin Sharpie or both. Take your time and do a good job on this because this is going to become the foundation of your artwork. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the film while you watch. You can see that I'm using both the thin and the thick Sharpie to trace my piece of artwork. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn our transparency over, and you're going to paint what you want in the foreground, like so what you want to show up on the other side, like this. You're going to paint that first, and then whatever's in the background we're going to do right over the top of what we've painted. So I'm going to use my color scheme that I had, and I'm just going to start painting and let you guys watch. Also, it doesn't matter if you paint over the black lines. Let me show you. I'm going to do one flower and then I'll turn it over and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just going to continue painting in the color scheme that I chose. I'm adding a few different colors that weren't in my color scheme, and you can do that as well. Okay, so now, we have our background done. So when you turn this over, you can see how pretty it looks because, you know, the paint is showing through, but the Sharpie's on top. So it looks neatly painted. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do your background. So we're gonna create a multicolored background on the bottom part of our painting, and then we're gonna do a light yellow at the top. Your colors might be different than mine. I'm going to start with my pale yellow. I'm using a big brush for this piece. Now, you can't be super aggressive with this, you guys. You're going to have to still do it gently. Otherwise, you're going to end up pulling up the paint that you have already put down. And also, you want to make sure your paint is really dry before you start this, because if it's not dry, it's not going to work. So I'm just going to start with, I'm going to put white across the top. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow. And then down at the bottom, I'm going to do my blocks of color. And this is really gonna add a lot of vibrancy and visual interest to your art. It's actually called contrast, or even variation, like a variety. And it is one of the things that Jennifer Lommers does in her artwork. So I'm going to use some aqua, violet, and light blue at the bottom. Pay attention to what's underneath. I'll make sure it's completely covered. So very gently, I'm gonna take a look. I want you to wait until yours is completely dry before you take a look at it. But there we go, looks pretty good. And you can touch up any areas that you think you might have missed. So now you need to let this completely dry. So there you have your abstract whimsical flowers. Have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.